Hello everyone, this is Lowe, and today we'll be going over the data analysis protocol that I have created for this assignment. So let's get started. The first thing to go over when dealing with data is to help explain its importance. So why is data important? Collecting and analyzing data helps identify ways in which we can support continuous school improvement. This leads to the success of our students. Who should be involved? It is important to involve anyone that is part of the school community. This is a collaborative effort among administrators, teachers, families, students, and community members. It is also important that a school leader values everyone involved by being willing to listen to all opinions. Here is the data process protocol. The first part of the protocol is to collect data. This falls under the collaborative learning cycle component of being active and engaged. Next, you will analyze the data and reflect on what you found. This would be when you explore and discover. Finally, it's time for planning, which is when you organize and integrate. So let's take a look at each closer. Let me move this camera. Okay. Number one, you're going to collect the data. It is important to look at all measures of data, and this includes demographic data, perception data, student learning, and school processes. Next, you're going to analyze the data. You're going to find trends and patterns, look for any unexpected findings, develop focus questions, and set goals. Then, number three, you're going to reflect. This is when you look for implications from the data and see what we can draw from this and if there is any further data needed. Finally, you're going to plan. This is when you look for solutions to explore and make sure that it's a collaborative effort among all involved. Finally, we have our graphic organizer, and this can be used to guide data dialogue and capture thoughts. Here we have the data part. What can you see from the data provided? Next, we have interpretation. Are there any patterns or trends visible? Next, implications. What conclusions can be drawn from this data? And finally, plan. What can we do? In summary, it is important to have a plan in place to guide individuals through data, find solutions, and improve schools. Thank you so much for your time today, and you have a great day.